Alright, what's up guys? My name is Anthony, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do sound effects for your videos. Now, one thing that everyone thinks I'm guilty of, which I'm not, is using sound packs or like official sound effects like Hollywood does for their videos, but it's simply not the case. I only use my mouth to make the sound effects, no matter how realistic they sound, and today I'm going to be proving that. Bum, 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 bum. Alright, so the key to having realistic sound effects with your mouth is to keep your mouth nice and moist. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to drink some water, and then I'm going to practice a few sound effects for you guys on camera. Excuse me. Okay, so now that our mouth is nice and moist, see, you can listen for yourself, you can tell how moist it is. What we're going to be doing is I'm going to take a few clips of people doing stuff, and then I'm going to play it with their sound effect, and then I'm going to play it with my sound effect and see if you can notice the difference. Alright, so let's jump right in, shall we? Okay, so this guy right here has a chainsaw, and I'm going to play the video with the original sound and then do my own and see the difference. Okay, that wasn't bad, but I'm pretty sure mine are going to sound better and more realistic. Let's see. Alright, so for chainsaws, I feel like mine had a more intense mechanical sound to it, while the other one sounded more like if a robot was angry and it like started crying. So score 1 for me. Alright, so this guy found a snake in his backyard and he went to film it. So I'm gonna get some more water and I'm gonna try to recreate the sound it makes.
What seems to be the problem? Ow!
Alright, that was a real snake sound, and now I'm gonna do mine, and you can compare and contrast the two if you want to. Alright, so personally, again, I think mine had more intensity, and it was more of a authentic, high quality sound, while the snake in the video was kind of lacking a bit and not putting forth its best efforts. So, you know, score 2 for me. Alright, so now we're going to do a sports car. I'm out of my daily supply of water, so I cannot do this with moist mouth. I have to do it with dry mouth, but I feel like I'm still going to be able to do it properly, so here you go. Alright, for that last one, I'm not going to tell you which one. Go ahead and tell me which one you think was me in the comments, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Alright, so for the rest of the video, since I used my voice for the music in the intro, I'm gonna do it for the outro too. So let's go. Beep 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 bop bop beep 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 bop. Scoop scoop boop.